Namaste India. This is the 150th year of the song Vande Mataram, which is penned by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee Garu. In this occasion, we would recollect the song again. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malaya Sitalam, Sasya Shyamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Dhruvajala Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadharavashini, Sukadam Bharatam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind!